Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about this Zevo Flying Insect Trap. I just got it yesterday, and the reason we bought it was because we've got these gnats that have been coming into the house. They're in the living room even, and just flying at our face. They're very annoying. We try to smack them, and sometimes we get them, sometimes we don't. So we needed a solution for that. So we're trying out this Zevo Flying Insect Trap. So we had seen the Zevo advertised on TV. I know, don't fall for what you see on TV, but we wanted to look into it and see if it was worth purchasing. Went into the Walmart website, and it's actually rated at 4.2 stars, which I only really like to buy things at 5 stars, so a little iffy. Went down and looked at the reviews, and overall, people seem to be pretty happy with it. I think people who were not as happy with it were people who probably had more of an infestation, but amazing, love, highly recommended. So it was definitely worth purchasing. The price for it on the Walmart website is, let's see, I believe it was $19.97. There it is. And actually got it pretty quickly. So yeah, went ahead and ordered it from Walmart. So for the price of $19.97, I thought it was kind of expensive, but I really wanted to try it out, so I gave it a shot. Now, what's included? So you get the box, and it will tell you that there's one device and one cartridge. So that's it. That's kind of a bummer. But the device itself does have a light, so this lights up, and then on the back there is the plug can be turned so that this can be turned whichever direction you want it. And then there is just one of the cartridges. So that's the part that I really don't like. I wish there was at least two, because I mean, you're going to put it in right away and you have no backup. I actually bought some extra cartridges while I was purchasing the device, and these were like $7 for two. So yeah, I got those. And yeah, that's what's included. The setup for this device is actually really easy. It's got some simple directions on the back, or there's also a pamphlet that's included. But basically, you just take your cartridge, you pulling up here, and then you slip it into the back. After the plastic's been removed, you just slip it into the back of the device. Mine is already in there, so I won't show you that. And then, depending on where you're going to plug it in and how the direction that you want to turn, that was probably the hardest thing. Was at first this was a little bit hard to turn, but it did. So yeah, that's the setup. Location was the next thing I had to decide on. I thought about by the door, near the trash can, but we decided to go ahead and put it by the bananas, because you know you always get those fruit flies and stuff. So I figured near the stove, near the fruit, pretty close to the trash can would be a good area. And I've just had this plugged in for 24 hours, and I already got some results. I don't know that you're going to be able to see them on camera very well, but we've got a bigger one here, of course, and then there's just a couple little ones, and those gnats are so hard to see, but for 24 hours to already catch 4 in this area, I'm happy with the results of that. I would probably move it around and see if I get more in other areas of the house. One place that we've noticed that we're getting them lately has been in the bathroom, you know, kind of near the water, I guess is what they're attracted to. So either I will get another one for the bathroom or move it into the bathroom and see how that works. So my overall review of this is that I really do like that it's working. I like that you're able to put it up and it's out of the way. The extra light at night is a nice bonus if you've got it in the right area. I would definitely buy it again. I would definitely recommend trying it if you have little gnats flying around your house, or any, I guess it's supposed to be for any kind of flying insect. I think I will actually buy 1 or 2 more and put them either near the door and in the bathroom. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. For 24 hours to see results means something to me. So I hope this video helps you make a decision as to whether or not you want to try it. Good luck, and thanks for watching.